Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the watch can get a lock quickly. Make sure your iPhone is nearby and Bluetooth is active. The watch uses the phone for rich routing. Once done, press the digital crown or say, "Hey Siri, open Maps" to launch. You want location services enabled on the paired iPhone so Maps can show accurate pins and compass orientation. Now find your destination by force touch search or tap a suggested place to proceed to navigation. You now pick and refine the route. Speak the address or use Scribble to write it if typing is awkward. Recent places and contacts speed this up. Once your destination appears, swipe to select walking, driving, cycling, or transit. Each mode changes turn detail and ETA, so choose the one that matches your activity. You can also preview the route on the small map, and if you need alternate options or to avoid tolls, tap the route options. This ensures accurate, useful directions. You start navigation by tapping Go and then follow the clear haptic taps and on-screen arrows. The watch vibrates for turns so you don't need to look constantly. Make sure your wrist orientation and compass calibration are correct. You can zoom or pan to inspect complex intersections. If the route changes, the watch usually reroutes automatically. If not, pause and pick an alternate. If Maps freezes or loses GPS, toggle Bluetooth, restart the watch, or force close Maps. This resolves most connection or app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.